Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to listen to a simple and relaxing conversation at a bookstore cafe in the United States. In this video, you will follow two friends, Anum and Umair, who meet after work and spend time together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand easily. Before we start, here is a small question for you. What drink does Umair order at the cafe? Listen carefully. The answer is hidden in the conversation. If you find it, write it in the comments in English. All right, let's begin.
Hi, Umair. You look tired today.
Yes, I am a little tired. I worked all day at the office.
Me too. I think we both need a break.
I agree. Let's go somewhere relaxing.
How about a cafe? There is a nice bookstore cafe nearby.
A bookstore cafe? That sounds interesting.
Yes, it is quiet, and we can also read books there.
Perfect. Let's go there. Wow, this place looks very nice.
Yes, I love it. It has books, coffee, and soft music.
It feels very peaceful inside.
Look at those shelves full of books.
And the smell of coffee is amazing.
Let's find a table first.
How about that table near the window?
Yes, that's perfect. I love window seats.
Okay, let's check the menu.
They have a lot of drinks here.
Yes, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and smoothies too.
I think I want a hot drink today.
Same here. I usually drink coffee.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I like strong black coffee. No sugar, no milk.
Wow, that's strong. I like sweet coffee with milk.
Everyone has different taste.
True.
What about food?
They have sandwiches, muffins, cookies, and pancakes.
Everything looks delicious.
I want a chicken sandwich.
I think I will take a blueberry muffin.
Good choice.
I will go order for us.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll be right back.
Hello. What would you like?
I would like one black coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, one blueberry muffin and one chicken sandwich.
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Your order will be ready soon.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Here is our order.
That was fast.
Let's try the coffee first.
How is it?
Strong and fresh. I love it.
Good.
Try your sandwich.
It is very fresh and tasty.
Let me try the muffin.
How is it?
Sweet and soft. Really good.
This place is amazing.
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
We should come again.
Yes, maybe next week.
Next time I will try hot chocolate.
And I will try cappuccino.
That sounds nice.
But now we should go back to work.
Yes, back to reality. Ha 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 ha.
Thank you for listening. I hope this helped you improve your English listening skills. Now tell me, what drink did Umair order? Write your answer in the comments. See you in the next video.